Good day everyone and welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. This is week 15 and our words this week are garrison, demolition, reverie, regatta, nag, and labyrinth. Let's jump into the first word this week. So our first word this week is garrison, and this is a noun, so it's a thing, and it's a body of troops stationed in a fortified place. It could also mean the place where such troops are stationed. It could mean a military post, especially a permanent one. So as you can see in this image, this is a strongly fortified or protected area. There are very high walls, it's made out of brick and stone, and it looks like it would be very difficult to break into this place. So this is a garrison. A synonym for this word would be fort, military post, fortress, and any sort of fortification where they're trying to protect something. It could be a stronghold, a citadel, or a fortification, a garrison. Our next word this week is demolition. Now this is an adjective, so it describes something. Something is being demolished. So it is of or relating to or working with explosives. It can also mean of or relating to tearing down something. So this image is a great example of demolition. You can see there's rubble in the background behind this giant crane. This crane is causing demolition. It's knocking down a building. Maybe they're going to build a new building. So anytime they're tearing something down. Synonyms for this word would be annihilation, explosion, wrecking, bulldozing, or knocking down, demolition. The next word is reverie. Reverie. Now this is a noun. It is a thing or something that is happening to you. It could be a state of dreamy meditation or fanciful thinking. A simpler word for this is to daydream. So say you're in a certain place and you're thinking about someone that you like. You are daydreaming about that person. Or maybe you're daydreaming about a vacation that you want to go on. Instead of doing the work that you're supposed to be doing, you're daydreaming of going someplace special. Maybe you're daydreaming about a delicious food or a video game that you want to play later. This is called a reverie. Now this is a good synonym would be fantasy, meditation, contemplation, daydream, or trance. Reverie. The next word is regatta, a regatta. This is a noun, so it's a thing, or more specifically, an event that happens. It's a boat race, as of rowboats, yachts, or other vessels. So, you can see in this image here, there are many small sailboats, and these men are racing one another. So oftentimes in a regatta, there is a trophy or a prize for the winner, and synonyms would be boat race, sea race, and this is what a regatta is. Next is the word nag. Nag, and this is another word for a horse or a pony. To be more specific, it's an inferior or worthless horse. So this is kind of a derogatory word or a negative word they use to talk about a horse. Somebody might say, oh, that old nag isn't worth anything. Or, oh, that old nag is old and about to die. So it's any horse, especially a race horse, that is kind of now seen as a worthless horse. A small riding horse or pony. So, negative word for horse would be a nag. The next word is labyrinth. Now this is also a noun, so it's a place. It's a special type of place, and it's an intricate combination of paths or passages in which it is difficult to find one's way or to reach the exit. It's a maze of paths bordered by high hedges, as in a park or garden, for the amusement of those who search for a way out. Now as you can see in this beautiful image, this is a famous labyrinth where you must find your way into the middle of the labyrinth from the outside. So synonyms for labyrinth would obviously be maze, puzzle, tangle, or entanglement. Labyrinths can be fun or they can be incredibly frustrating depending on your perspective. Okay, so here's a great summary of our words this week. They are garrison, demolition, reverie, regatta, nag, and labyrinth. Thanks so much for joining us this week. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye!